What's going on, YZ family? Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm about to give you the 3 best tips on the braking procedure. These just my tips though, don't take it to heart, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, 3 best recommended tips from YZ baby on the rebuild and braking procedure. Coming up now.
Nothing like a good old sunrise. Welcome back, YZ family. And if this is your first time visiting, well, welcome to the family. On today's episode, YZ baby will be showing you the top 3. 2-stroke brake in tips and procedures to make sure your dirt bike starts up first kick every time. Be sure to stick around to the end for some wheelie and whole shot practice footage that you don't want to miss. Facts.
Yes, sir. YZ family, what's happening, man? If you're new to the channel, welcome. But anyway, I ain't gonna talk an ear up a lot. Y'all heard the title, you heard what's going on. Today, I'm gonna give you the top 3 tips to break in your 2-stroke. I rebuilt her, and now we're gonna go through the process and procedure. Heat up, 3 cycles, cool it down, 3 cycles, then we're gonna do a little rip cycle, you know what I'm saying? Today we in my backyard, as you can see, background noises as you hear. We're gonna keep the video because you know that's how I do. Tune in, tap in, we're gonna go ahead over here, crank this thing up, move to the other location, break them in. Top 3 tips coming up right now. All right guys, on your braking procedure, you know you wanna have you a good old oil like that 927. Something thick that's gonna, you know, build up between that wall and just get a good little friction, but still give you that protection that you need, you did? Pro Plus, you did, 10W40, down there in that cylinder and that crank, you did. But anyway, we're gonna take it through 3 heat cycles. 1, 2, 3, heat it up, cool it down, heat it up, cool it down. What we doing is letting the metal expand, and then, what's the other word?
Bruh.
You got it.
So what we doing is, now you about to make me laugh. Stop! Okay.
Why you do that? I can drink your oil.
There you go. So anyway, what we doing is letting the metal expand and contract. Expand and contract, you get it? That way we squeeze in the piston and release it. But enough talk, dog. Let's go ahead and get that first cycle in. We're gonna heat it up, let it break down and cool down. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and kick the bike on. You know what I'm saying? What you wanna do, first make sure your gas is on. If you gotta pull that choke up to get her up, go ahead and pull your choke up. And we're gonna kick them off. So basically, all we're gonna do is, we're gonna let that run, let the cylinder, we're gonna bring the cylinder up to a certain temperature. And then you'll know, you know what I'm saying? You put your hand on there, let it get warm. You know what I'm saying? Fill your radiator, fill up that warm. Take the pipe on the other side, see if it's warm. But you basically just gonna let the bike go ahead and heat up. We don't wanna play with the throttle too much. You'll put a new piston in it, so you wanna let it just So the work is moving up. Work is moving up. You know what I'm saying? All right, now that we let the bike warm up, we're gonna go ahead and shut it down, right? Cylinder warm, everything warm, you know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna chill about 30 minutes. You know, go get you a snack, do what you do. Let that thing get back down cool. Once it get back cool, we're gonna come do the same process. The next process, we're gonna get on the throttle just a tad bit, you know what I'm saying? Be back when we come to the second phase. All right, man, on to phase 2 of the process. It's basically the same thing, you just gonna go ahead and play with that throttle just a little bit, get a little friction in between there. So we're gonna go ahead and get up on here. Wait, Trey, because you heard what it was. What it was? 1 kick. Alright, yeah, so you got it cranked up. You warm it back up on the second phase, right? At this point, what you want to do is this. You just want to take it through uneven progression. Because you don't want that cylinder to stay in the same spot. You want it to...
Bruh.
We're not going to mid-throttle or higher. Just enough to get it in there beating inside. You know what I'm saying? We want to warm again, yeah? We cutting it off and doing the same thing, man. Let that chill for 30 minutes. And phase 3, we're cranking it up, doing the last part of the braking procedure. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere. After this, it gets up. It gets up, it goes up, all that, you did. Alright guys, we're on to one of the last parts and phases of the braking procedure, the third part. So this is what we're gonna do. Play with that throttle a little bit more, but this time we're taking the RPM way up a little bit more. We're gonna really heat it up this, you know what I'm saying? Let's see if we want to kick today. Alright y'all, this time we're gonna take it up a notch. This is the third cycle. We're gonna get it the hottest. We're gonna break it in at the hot spot. Check me out. We're gonna do it. Lock off.
Always try to get somewhere where you got a little space, you know. So as you can see, I have all this beautiful land all around right here to break my beautiful YZ in. So yeah, man, like I said, as you can see, I'm sit back and so you can see. First ride, you just want to get about right here. Go through the gear. Real nice and smooth, not too heavy, you know. Check. Make sure everything feels good, you know. See how your throttle response is. And we're not, like I said, we're not gonna go too crazy. We just do a nice smooth pull. In and high up in a little band a little bit. You know. Alright guys, so as you see, we just went up a couple of downs. Like I said, you just want to take it right there, just about right there. You're not trying to go full throttle, you're just trying to warm it, break it in like I said. So as we did the first one, now we're going to go on to the second repetition. This time we're gonna go a little bit farther, a little bit harder. You did put a little more juice on it. You know, you want to kind of ride it how you ride the bike. I mean, it's like I said, all this braking, it's crazy. You know, do it how you do. It is what it is. But in the end of the day, man, you want to kind of break it in gentle, but at the same time, break it in how you ride the bike. It sounding good, man. That pro circuit, I took the FMF and put the pro circuit back on, y'all. I like it. I like it. Come a little more out. You know what I'm saying? Put a little spunk on it. Mischief. Yeah, I'm liking it, the Vertex, baby. That Vertex feeling good. Put a little beat on it, it's alright, it's a dirt bike. Yeah, I changed my tune, man. I got a little more lean. So she's a little more zippy up than I'm used to, you know what I'm saying? Get a whole shot in for y'all real quick. So here, want to get my feet up on the tank, my legs in the front like that there. Coming out of work. Hold up. Ready? Yeah. That's what I was talking about right there, YZ. I like that. We'll get better. I'm used to the boot.
All right, guys, we're on the inside at the round table. Check it out. I'm about to give you these top 3 tips on your break-in. So first off, man, you know you gotta go 3 good heat cycles. 3 of them. The first one, lightly, just crank it up, let it roll, 15 minutes, cool off. Second one, rev the throttle a little bit to mid-range. Third one, bang it out a little bit. And after all of those repetitions, you're gonna let it cool all the way down to hand touch and crank it back up and then go ahead and proceed. Second tip for the break-in procedure by YZ Baby. You wanna make sure you got you good, fresh gas, oils, coolant, all that. As you seeing, I'm running engine ice. Shout out to sponsors. Yeah, and that keeps the bike fully cool. I never had a problem. On the break-in, I'm going heavy on the oil, 927, man. I'm running 32-to-1 on my break-in. I don't know what you do, but I recommend you do a 32-to-1, heavy. You know what I'm saying? Get it smoky, you did? Then from there, pretty much 10W40, some fresh. I'm running this here right here, Pro Plus. You know, it just something I like. Make the clutch fit a little more. You also want to ride through the first whole tank. You know what I'm saying? You don't really want to go too extreme until you out of that first tank. Once you got that first tank and it's gone, you officially have broken it in. Welcome, you ready to ride. And from there, you're pretty much good. You don't see nothing in there. But yeah, you want to change that oil, get all that beat in off of it. It's gonna drop a little bit of sheddings off that new piston and stuff. So change your oil, fresh gas after you done ran through your tank. You ready to go, dog. I appreciate you for tapping in. Like, subscribe, and you know where we at with it, man. We in the YZ compound. 2024, man, I'm trying to keep the door open. I'm trying to go bigger as always. I need y'all help, man. I appreciate y'all staying tuned in, tapped into this point, but I need y'all to continue. Go ahead and watch the next video. You know what I'm saying? YZ family, it's your boy 125, and I'm out of here, man. I got some things to do. We're getting ready to hit Durham time tomorrow. So stay tuned, man. I'm about to go to the park. You know, you come in with some more. Yeah, man. I'm out, man. Love, like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend.